The following video is a hem horizontal bandsaw. It's a miter bandsaw. We're going to run a brief video of demonstration for you today.
I turn the machine on. We're going to do a cut. First we're going to open and close the vise.
Open, clamp.
It's clamped now. We'll start our blade. It's got a safety interlock, so you have to push the interlock and move the blade to start. Then we'll start our cut. You can adjust the speed of your cut. Stop it if you need to. Go slow. We'll run it at a faster cycle so it'll go down and you can see the saw will shut off.
Now the head is raising for the next cut. It's adjustable, yep.
You can adjust depending on the thickness of the material so you don't have a lot of travel. You can adjust this for your stop. I have it adjusted to the top so you can see the full flow. That's at the top of the flow. Run you one more cut. Okay.
Again, the preceding video was a hem horizontal bandsaw. It's a model twister. It's a miter bandsaw.